Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your voice to a girl's voice for Snapchat voice messages. Super easy and fun, so let's go. First, head over to your Play Store and then tap on search bar. Second, type in Voice AI and hit install. Wait for it to finish downloading. Once ready, open the app and you'll see bunch of voice options and characters. Just pick any girl voice you like. Type in your message and let the app do its magic. Now, just save the audio and use it on Snapchat. And that's it. Quick and simple. Hope this video helps and thank you for watching.